Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn about how to install the video recording software, which is OBS. As you can see here, the name of the software OBS. So we're gonna start installing process. So first of all, we're gonna type in the Google search bar best video recording software for Windows 10. So here you can see the AI generated. The first one is the OBS software. So we will paste the text in the new tab. So we will select the first option, which is OBS. So if you are a Windows user, you have to select Windows option, or Mac user, you have to select the Mac OS option, or if you are a Linux user, you have to select the Linux option. But I'm a Windows user, so I'm gonna select Windows. So here you can see you have to save this, and because I have downloaded this software, I'm not gonna install it, I'm not gonna download it. So click on this. So you have to do next. As I have already downloaded and installed this software, so you just have to do next, then the software will install. So now I'm gonna give you a quick review of this software. So this is the main window. The first one option is the scene, second one is the source. So the most useful is the display capture. We can select the other option from this plus icon. There are many options, but the most useful is the display capture, and I am using the display capture to record the desktop of my laptop. And this is the audio of desktop and mic or rear audio aux. So I have set these both to 0 because I am not using any audio recording. So I have, this is the option for stop recording or start recording, start streaming. So there are many features in this software. From this option we can see the recorded videos. So this is one of the most popular video recorder. So that's for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos in the future about other software as well. Peace out.